All right, these have to be the most comfortable shoes you could wear anywhere. Shorts, pants, anywhere, amusement parks. One of the most comfortable shoes that I've gotten. Now, I've taken these to the golf course too, all right? So they've pretty much been everywhere with me. They've been my primary shoes right now so far. So any kind of event you're gonna have, perfect. All leather, perfect stitching. White on the bottom, black on the top. They have different sizes and colors. So check them out. All right, so next occasion, you're walking out and you're taking your long walks like I am. I take my walks, I relax. These shoes are all around. They're my go-to shoes. I take them everywhere I go. When I'm going out, taking my walks, I take these shoes because they're stylish, comfortable, and pretty much they look good everywhere any kind of clothing I'm wearing. So check them out.